First of all, guys, take a look at this YouTube channel. It has uploaded only 31 videos, yet it has already gained 439K subscribers, which is absolutely incredible. If you look at the content, you'll notice that every video is created in a beautiful 3D animated style. Even the thumbnails are eye-catching and professionally designed. If we check the channel's most popular videos, one of them has reached millions of views, while many others have accumulated thousands of views. It's a fantastic channel. Watch this video and see the quality for yourself.
Ali had nothing but a torn bag and a heart full of dreams. Every morning, he woke up ready to fight for a better life. The other children laughed at him, but Ali didn't stop. He never stopped. Even with nothing to give, Ali always found a way.
As you can see, it's a beautiful cinematic 3D animation, and it was generated entirely with AI. Today, I'm going to introduce you to one of the most powerful AI tools for creating content like this. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we begin, I've already prepared an all-in-one master prompt for you. This master prompt includes everything you need to create professional animated stories. It contains character consistency instructions, character style, environment style, 10 image prompts, 10 video prompts. You'll find the download link for this master prompt in the description below. All you need to do is copy the complete master prompt and open either Claude AI or ChatGPT. In my case, I'll be using Claude AI. I'll simply paste the master prompt and type, "Please give me 10 image prompts and 10 video prompts with voiceover." Within seconds, Claude AI generates an entire story, creates consistent characters, defines the visual style, and prepares all 10 video prompts. It also generates 10 image prompts automatically. The AI platform we'll be using today is called AKOOL AI. Yes, AKOOL AI is one of the most powerful all-in-one AI platforms currently available. I'll leave its link in the description below. Simply open the website, log into your account, you'll arrive at the dashboard. Here you'll find a huge collection of AI tools, including Nano Banana Pro, SeeDance 2, seeDream, GPT Image, and many other advanced AI models. You'll also find features like a referral program and an affiliate program, allowing you to earn additional income and other file formats. On the left side, you'll see dedicated sections for video tools, image tools, and audio tools. Everything you need is available in one place. Now let's start with image generation. From the left panel, click on Image Tools, then select Text to Image. This opens the image generation dashboard. First step is selecting your AI model. You'll see multiple options such as seeDream, Nano Banana Pro, and GPT Image. For this tutorial, I'll select Nano Banana Pro because, in my experience, it's one of the best models for maintaining character consistency throughout an entire story. Next, I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9, choose either 2K or 4K resolution, depending on my preference, and generate one image at a time. Now I return to Claude AI, copy the first image prompt along with the character consistency instructions, paste it into AKOOL AI, and click Generate. Within a few moments, the first image begins generating, and once it's complete, we can preview the result. As you can see, AKOOL AI has generated an amazing 3D Pixar-style image that perfectly matches the animation style of the reference channel. The lighting, environment, colors, and characters look incredibly professional. This is exactly why I consider AKOOL AI one of the best AI platforms available. Now it's time for the second image. I simply leave the character consistency instructions unchanged, replace only the image prompt, and click Generate again. After a few seconds, the second image is ready. What's impressive is that I never uploaded any reference image, yet Nano Banana Pro automatically keeps the same characters consistent across every scene. The environments also remain visually consistent and beautifully detailed. The process from here is very simple. Copy each image prompt one by one, paste it into AKOOL AI, and generate every scene individually. If your story contains 10 scenes, simply repeat this process 10 times. You can also experiment with different AI models available inside AKOOL AI. Nano Banana Pro consistently delivers the best results for character consistency. After generating all the scenes, you'll have a complete collection of beautifully consistent 3D images. You can click on any image to preview it, upscale it for higher quality, regenerate it if necessary, apply face swap, use Talking Photo AI, edit the image, or access various built-in AI effects. AKOOL AI offers a complete set of editing tools. Now it's time to move on to the video generation process, where we'll transform these AI-generated images into smooth, high-quality animated videos. Now it's time for the video generation process. For this step, we're going to use the same AI platform, AKOOL AI. Simply go back to the home page, navigate to the video section, and you'll find both text-to-video and image-to-video options. Today, we'll be using image-to-video, although you can also create videos directly from text prompts if you prefer. Once you click Image to Video, the dashboard will open. Here you'll find several powerful AI models, including SeeDance 2, VO3, Pixar-style, Claude AI, and many more. For this tutorial, I'll select the latest version of SeeDance 2, although you'll also see different variants like Mini and Fast. Since the latest model delivers the best quality, that's the one I'll use. You'll also notice an all-in-one creation option that allows you to combine images, videos, and audio into a complete project. However, I'll upload my first generated image into the Start Frame section. After that, I'll return to Claude AI, copy the first video prompt, and paste it into the prompt box inside AKOOL AI. Next, I'll configure the video settings. I'll enable audio, set the video duration to 10 seconds, although you can choose anywhere between 12 and 15 seconds if you prefer. Select 1080p resolution, or even 4K if you'd like higher quality. Choose a 16:9 aspect ratio. Simply click Generate. Within approximately 1.5 to 3 minutes, AKOOL AI will generate your animated video. Now our first video has finished rendering. Let's preview the result. Oh, just look at this quality. The animation has that beautiful cinematic 3D Pixar-style appearance, and the motion looks incredibly smooth. Now let's generate the second scene using exactly the same workflow. Upload the second image into the start frame, return to Claude AI, copy the second video prompt, paste it into AKOOL AI, and choose your preferred AI model. This time, I'll switch to SeeDance 2 Fast, although you can also experiment with models like Claude AI, Pixar-style, or other AI models available inside AKOOL AI. After selecting your settings, simply click Generate, and the second video will begin rendering. A few moments later, the second video is ready. Let's preview it. Once again, the animation quality is excellent. The movement looks natural. The visual style remains perfectly consistent, and the voiceover fits the scene beautifully. This is exactly the level of consistency we're looking for when creating story-based animated content. From here, the workflow becomes very simple. Continue uploading each image one by one, paste the corresponding video prompt, and click Generate. Repeat the same process for Scene 3, Scene 4, and every remaining scene. I recommend keeping the same AI model throughout the entire project to maintain maximum visual consistency across all scenes. After a short time, all of my videos are finished. Let's take a look at the complete results. Every scene has been generated beautifully, with smooth animation, consistent characters, and a cinematic storytelling style. In one scene, the character is collecting fruit, while in another, a house catches fire, and the main character rushes in to rescue the children. Each scene transitions naturally into the next, and in the final sequence, the child is safely rescued. The overall animation quality is outstanding, making the entire story feel engaging and professionally produced. One more thing I'd like to mention is that Pixar-style models are currently available for free for a limited time, making this an excellent opportunity to experiment with different AI models. In addition to that, you'll find a large collection of creative effects, animation presets, avatars, voice tools, materials, and many other AI features that make content creation much easier. AKOOL AI currently offers several subscription plans, including Starter, Pro, Pro Max, Business, and Enterprise. You can choose whichever plan best suits your needs and purchase the number of AI credits required for generating images and videos. At the moment, you'll also notice a banner mentioning that all Pixar-style models are free for 1 week, making this the perfect time to try them out. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and learned something valuable. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the AKOOL AI link in the description below. Start creating your own AI-powered animated videos and give your content the chance to go viral. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.